In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Anaconda app in Windows 11. If you want to download it and install it without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then search Anaconda software. When you search Anaconda software, then press enter. After pressing the enter, you will see Anaconda Advanced AI with open source. Click this option. When you click this option, you will scroll down to see where is download button available. Where we will see where download button is available in Anaconda for downloading it. If you do not find any download button, yeah, then you can simply go back and then you can see here download Anaconda distribution. But if you will reach Anaconda official site, you can see free download. Here download button is available. When you click this free download option, you have to submit your email address, then click this option, then click submit. Yeah, you can skip registration. Here you can skip registration and simply you can download it. You have two installation: mini conda installer and distribution installer. Here I am downloading distribution installer. Click this option. When you click this option, you have to choose where you want to download this file. Here I am choosing download folder. Then click save. Now our Anaconda is downloading. You can see. You have to wait until this process is completing. After then we will install it. When you press in keyboard Ctrl and J, you will see our download process is completing. You can see we have downloaded Anaconda software. Now it's time to install it. For installing it, simply click shown in folder option. Yeah, you can simply go where file is present. Here our file is present. For installing it, right click on it, then open. After clicking open, here you have to click next, then I agree, then just me, all user, click just me and then next. Here you can choose destination folder. If you want to change it, you can click browse and change it, but don't change it. Then click next and then click install. Our software is installing. After this process, you will see Anaconda logo. Here you have to click next for further process. Then you have to click again next. Then click launch. Yeah, finish. And you can see welcome to Anaconda. Here are some useful resources to help you to get started. And our Anaconda software is opening. Here you can see we downloaded and installed Anaconda in Windows 11 without any error. Now you can use it. If you want to check it, Anaconda is installed or not, simply click this Windows button, then search Anaconda.